Reconnect with your heart and your life one nourishing step at a time. In a world flooded with fast fixes and rigid health trends, the Wholehearted Guide cookbook offers a different path, one grounded in wisdom, nourishment, and balance. This is more than a cookbook. It's an all-in-one heart health companion designed to support you wherever you are on your wellness journey. Whether you're managing heart concerns, focusing on prevention, or simply craving a more vibrant life, this guide empowers you with science-backed insights on key heart markers, magnesium, and antioxidants. A practical 3-day meal plan tailored for cardiovascular support, the American Heart Association's activity guidelines, and a clear BMI tracker. Over 50 recipes inspired by the 5 essential food groups used by top international cardiologists. Time-tested herbal remedies, nourishing smoothies, and comforting traditional meals. Easy-to-follow daily tracking prompts for lasting habits. But this guide doesn't stop at what's on your plate. You'll also learn how to weave heart-friendly choices into every day. Stock a heart-healthy pantry and fridge with purpose-smart staples, thoughtful substitutions, and batch cooking tricks. Make smarter choices when dining out, from Italian to Indian menus, with mindset shifts that honor flavor and heart health. Indoor plants that purify the air and support well-being, turning your home into a living ally for health. Fit micro-movements into busy days. Keep power snacks on hand to curb cravings and fuel energy naturally, without sudden spikes or crashes. Designed for wellness seekers, nature lovers, and anyone ready to live from the heart, this guide is both practical and soulful. It's not just a cookbook. It's a roadmap to a more intentional, wholehearted way of living. What you'll bonus find inside the digital or paperback edition: a holistic approach to heart health, blending modern science with traditional wisdom. A treasure trove of recipes organized by category: poultry, grains, meats, dairy, and more, crafted for flavor and cardiovascular support. Special sections for soups and healthy desserts, with a focus on nourishment that nourishes the whole body. Reverent notes on monastic recipes that emphasize high-protein whites, antioxidants, and minerals like magnesium, offering mindful specialty options. Smoothie-focused goodness, including modern healthy blends, folk-inspired remedies, and monastery-inspired vitamin-rich balms. A dedicated chapter on the home kitchen ecosystem, herbs, spices, and plants that uplift mood, digestion, and vitality. At the heart of it all is a simple promise: healing through food, nature, and mindful choices. This is your invitation to begin or continue a journey towards sustainable heart health and a more vibrant lifestyle.